All right, so obviously, Dale, you see the AMD trading off a touch. On the daily, it's still holding support, obviously off of its highs, though. Okay, the one thing that I want to take a look at is our TTD. They were trading a little bit higher now. Wide market, 60 bid at 270. I would be looking at a 210 to 215 exit. Right now it's sitting probably around 175. And then we also have on light Lumentum, and that is the next week 56, 57 half. And we are long that for 40. It's trading 35. Very wide market though. No big deal. Nothing to do there. All right, so let's see. As far as any gaps we have, nothing. At least nothing that's filled in just yet. This could be a very, very slow day, folks. Don't want to